I'm probably about to embarrass myself right here, right on camera. Something woke me up in the middle of the night. I'm talking like 2 a.m. middle of the night. Now, this is 2 hours before I usually get up, but for some reason, I wasn't tired when I woke up and my mind started going. And I started thinking about the finances and I started thinking about the goal and the time that I have and everything that I needed to do to fully complete this task, this thing that was at hand. And let me tell you, I came up with this idea, this crazy idea, this like bold ass idea that could possibly land me like complete embarrassment on camera on YouTube for thousands of people to see, potentially. For some reason, I'm thinking to myself like, dog, like we got to start moving. I have 7 to 8 months left and I still have majority of my debt left. And the only thing I kept thinking is how for the last few months, 6 months, I've been telling myself, I'm gonna pay this car off. I'm gonna pay this car off. And I'm trying to pay more and more, but it's still there. Things happen, things come up. And so I decided that I was going to do a 30-day challenge to pay off my car. The reality is that that number is pretty damn high. Here's the caveat. Also in these videos, what I have to do is I have to show you how I'm making the money, show you how much I got, and what else the things I have to pay for. Full transparency, but you're gonna go with me. The point of this is to let you know that if we just put a little bit of fire behind it, then we can murder whatever it is that we need to murder. Let's go. I got completely screwed on my car because my credit at the time was terrible and I took any deal I could get. What the fuck was I thinking? See, right now you can see this is what it's looking like. Here's what I owe left on this car. And so I decided if I do a 30-day challenge, I'm going to break this down into payments. And I said if I can pay a certain amount every single day, then I would end up paying this much money. But you're asking me how? Well, yesterday, one of my clients sent me $1,750. Well, she didn't send it to me. She paid for tank tops that I did for her event. This is that transfer from yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right now by making our first payment of $350. Okay, let's go. $349. Let's do 50 cents. Okay, submit that. That's down. Day one is down. So I just showed you how much I'm paying for the car. I showed you my terrible interest rate because of my lack of education and my poor credit score that I had a few years back. I also showed you it broken down into 30 different day increments, which came out to about $349, $349 and a penny or whatever, but we're gonna round up and we're gonna call it $350 because I use my card. It's about $353 that we're gonna have to pay every single day for the next 30 days. The money that I have off to the side is what I'm going to continue to pay off my student loans with. I have to figure out a way to create $350 at least every single day for the next 30 days. I think this exercise is going to be amazing, not just because it allows me to get free from car payments and things like that, but also because it's going to allow me to tap into other energy, into other like possibilities for myself. And it completely rips the bandage off and the ceiling that I thought I could do, because if I can master $350 a day for 30 days straight, then most certainly I can do it a lot further along. Again, it may not sound that crazy to you. There's people making tens of millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars a day, a week, a month, whatever, and I'm stressing over 350. That's okay. Because what I'm learning is that we cannot compare our preparation season to somebody's coming out party. See, right now, 350, that's where my goal is. Right now, 350 is a lot of money to me, but maybe in a year, it'll be nothing. Maybe in 2 years, I'll laugh back and look back at this, but let's leave that in 2 years ahead. Let's leave that in the future. Right now, I want to focus on what's in front of me. And what's in front of me is this goal, this thing, this $350, this number. And right now, for the next 30 days, I'm trying to pay off my car, which is over $10,000. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do, please give me some advice. Give me some tips and tricks on how I can make sure that this goes. And if you don't want to help out, at least come back and watch it just to see me fail. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all tomorrow.